Hello, my name is Telka Clem, and I am a NAV Senior Consultant for Western Computer. Today we're going to look at the Job WIP Cockpit that's in Dynamics NAV 2016. As I open up my Departments menu in 2016, I can see the Jobs module as a part of that menu structure. Those of you that use Jobs know that it's a very good way to track both the budget and the actual cost of projects that take more than one accounting period or they extend over a long period of time. In doing that, we also have to calculate WIP for those jobs. So that's where the new WIP Cockpit comes into play. It gives us a very nice view of all of our cost against our budget that we've entered into NAV. We start by calculating the WIP for our jobs, and I have 2 jobs in my cockpit. I'm going to calculate that WIP as of August 31, 2018, and I'm going to take away my filter so that it will calculate for both of my jobs. Say OK. It's telling me I've got a warning or 2. I can also see that I've got some warnings right here in this column telling me that I've got some WIP warnings. And I can see those warnings right here from my ribbon. This warning's telling me that job task number 1190 has a cost completion greater than 100%. Since this job is a completed contract WIP method, if I go over 100% of my cost, then it's going to tell me that I'm over that 100%. My cost completion for this WIP item is 104%. Let's look at what we have available to us in the cockpit. I can actually see my recognized cost for my second job, but since this first one is a completed contract, I have to slide over here to my actual totals. I can drill into the transactions that are making up my cost. And my total WIP cost GL amount, once I post my WIP calculations to the general ledger, then I would see it on both sides. What I'm seeing down here at the bottom is the actual schedule cost, the schedule price, the usage cost, usage price, and the contract cost and price. If you're not using jobs currently, what these stand for is the schedule is considered more of a budget. Your usage are your actuals, and the contract is what you're planning on charging your customer for this task. Looking at my second job, it's a sales value job. So therefore, I've got recognized cost populating my top columns. You will notice that that cost is recognized in the actual usage down here at the bottom. And again, I can see the specific details of each of the task line that's being added up. You'll also notice here that I have contract invoice price and invoiced cost and an invoiced percentage. Since I've not created any invoices yet, those numbers are 0. Also from the cockpit, you can get to the WIP entries, and you can get to the WIP GL entries that are a result of the WIP entries once they're posted. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any further questions, please contact us at Western Computer at sales@westerncomputer.com. I appreciate your time today. Thank you.